Hi, the little mouse. Forgive me this time. I'll never forget your kindness. I maybe about to repay you someday.
Are you kidding me? You're just a tiny stuff.
You can do that! Mr. Nugget, success has rules!
Excuse me, coming through. You cannot love this. A dash of heat to 500 Kelvin, eh?
So long.
Alex, are you there?
Matty?
Yeah, talk to me, buddy.
Martin, you are here.
Manny, how is it going?
Pretty good. Just getting some ketchup from my veggie burger. I see you like mayonnaise.
Oh no! The moon has fallen too well. How will people see at night? The stars are not bright enough. But not to worry. I will think of some way. Time, a cat was chasing a mouse. The mouse hid inside a hole and said, "Phew, I'm safe." But he could still hear meow, meow.
The king really wanted to see the horse to speak. So he offered his best horses and 100
Putting her whisker, she stepped it down for the nap. Before she fell asleep, she said, "Woof woof." It's past to bilingual. Meow.
It's very good. 超棒的灯。
Fundish 让你放松心情，放开视野，放下包袱，一定要来哦！
And here you can play games, make friends, tell story. Welcome you.
A lot of fun, a lot of English, a lot of story, fun English, easy not easy.
There are many activities and able to get the sweet candy in the game.
Easy and useful.
English is a nice class. Just come here to get fun!
Fun and help me a lot, so come in.
Learn fun English. Learn by playing.
English, where you can find your confidence.
I learned a lot. How about you?
Yeah, so am I. I really learned a lot and I hope I can take this class next semester.
Class give us a lot of knowledge. Give us a lot of Class give us a lot of knowledge.
Skills of English telling.
It is great fun.